Hello children, this is class 8 mathematics ICSE syllabus and continuation of the second video. First video we have completed only just three terms. What are the squares and square roots and perfect square, okay? And now we are going to continue, and also we have completed first and second bit of the 5A, exercise 5A. Now third question, here what is given? Find the smallest number by which 2592 be multiplied so that the perfect product is a perfect square. I guess I explained this example also in the previous video about the perfect square. What should be multiplied to get the perfect square? That example once go through, children. Once again I'll revise here with this question. Yeah, how to solve such kind of questions. So find the smallest number. Okay, let us go with the prime factor method. 2592. As I said yesterday, in the last video, the units place you check whatever it is. If it is even least prime, odd one, odd least number. If it is 5 and 0, then you start division by 5. Okay, this is anyhow even, and that is 2. We can start by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 nines are 18, 2 6 are 12. Okay, and again 2 6 are 12, 2 fours are 8, 2 eights are 16. Okay, next again 2 threes are 2 twos are 2 fours are. Got it? Again 2 ones are 2 six are 2 twos are. Okay children? Yeah, next again 2 eights are 2 ones are. Okay, now I can go with the 3 because it units place is 1. Anyhow 3 will be divisible. 3 twos are 6, 2 and 1, 21, 3 sevens are 3 nines are 3 threes are. Okay, these all factors we will write here itself. 2592 is equal. How many twos are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, square root. We will go with the square root. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many threes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we will put them in bracket. Two numbers. What is left over here? 2. Means what we required here to get a perfect square? One more 2. Okay, therefore 2 is a required number by which 2592 will be multiplied to get perfect square. Okay, so what is this number? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, okay, into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, now we will put under the square root. Now 2 one pair, from one pair, from this, from this, from this. Okay children, how much we are getting for this? Yeah, now we will multiply. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 threes are 24, 24 into. So children, here what is required to multiply? 2. So 2 is required number by which 2592 will be multiplied to get a perfect square. Okay, so this is the answer. If we multiply the whole number by 2, we'll get the 72. Okay, next question. Find same question, but digit I am writing here 12,748. Okay, 12,748. Again, it is even number. We'll start by even 2. 2 6 are 2 3 are 6, 2 7 are 2 4 are 2 1 are 2 3 are 2 1 are 2 8 are 2 7 are. Okay. Now, is this 3 ones are, can we cancel, can we divide 3 ones are? Let us try. 3,187 by 3 are division. 3 ones are 3, 1, 3 zeros are 0, 1 and 8, 3 6 are 18 and 7. So 3 twos are 6, remainder 1. This is just a rough work, children. Okay, you won't get any number. So this is the prime number actually. So we can write directly the given number should be multiplied by 3,187. Okay, right. Next question, fourth question also. Yeah, fourth question, children. Find the smallest number by which 10,368 be divided. Okay, divided so that the result is a perfect square. Also find perfect square root of the resulting number. Yeah, okay, we will see in the previous problem which number should be multiplied. So that is the number which is single, the number which is alone to be multiplied. So here in the question, which number should be divided, the same procedure, the number which will be left over single, that number will be divided by the given number to get perfect square. Okay, children, the same procedure only. If multiplication, you multiply with the same number. If it is division, if the single digit whichever is left over after pairing the numbers, the same number should be divided. Okay, now we'll start the prime factor method. What is the number? 10,368. Again by 2 only, units digit is 8. 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 1 and 11, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 2 2s are. Okay, and again 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 9 9, 2 9s are 18, 1 9 2 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 2 4s are 2 8s are 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 4s are. Okay, again 2 1s are 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are. Next 2 8s are 2 1s are. Next 3 27s are. Next 3 9s are. Next 3 3s are. Okay, so now this is solution number 4. Okay, now we will write here. This is main part of the solution, children. Don't do in rough side, right side column. Okay, so now we will write the factors of all these. 10,368 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, yeah, or else we can write, because so many factors are there, we will write under this. 10,368 equal to how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many threes are there? 4 3s are there. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Make them in group. Okay. What is the number left over? The leftover number is 2. So the total number is, this number will be divided by 2 to get the perfect square. Okay. Therefore, the number should be divided by 2. Okay. So there, hence square root of 10,368 by 2. What is that? 2 5s are 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 4s are. Okay. So now here we can take from this. This we are going to remove. Okay. Now under this, what are the leftover terms? 2 into 2. No need to do again, no children. 2 into 2. 2 into 2. 3 into 3. 3 into 3. This means product only. Fine. So we will take out 1. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 9s are 72. Hence 5,184 square root is 72. This is very simple, children. Just procedure is a bit long, but it's very simple problem. Next, question number 5. Find the square root of 0.1764. Yeah, up to now I didn't explain you the decimal square roots, decimal square of numbers. Okay, we will do decimal numbers. So let us go with the 1764. 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 21 21s are. Can I write like this, children? Yes, I can write like this. Okay, so 21 21s are directly, or you can go with the 3 1s also, children. If you want, I can show you. 3 1s are 3 4s are 12, 3 7s are. Next, 7 2s are 7 1s are 7 3s are. Okay, so now here square root of 0.1764 equal to, we will make them in bracket 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Children, either you write in ascending order or descending order of factors. It is better you to understand very easily. Okay, but the thing is here decimal. Okay, now what is the answer here? 2 into 3 into 7. Now how much? 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. But the question is in decimal. So after decimal, how many 4 digits are there? 4. Then square root of 0.1764, answer will be 0.42. Okay, once I'll show you the rechecking. Okay, just check the 0.42, 0.42. I just want to show you the decimal part. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 4 16, 7 and 1. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So decimal. So children, this is very simple logic. Whenever the question will be in the 4 digits, the answer will be in the 2 digits. If it is in 6, it will be in 3. In that way, you have to identify. Okay, if it is one more example, I'll explain you. Suppose square root of 2 5. What is the answer? Square root of 0 5. This is just an example. Okay, square root of 0.64. What is the answer? 0.8. like that 0.1000. Okay, how many digits are there? 3 digits. 10 tens are 100. Okay, 10 square is equal, right. So yeah, so 0.1000 is not a perfect square, so we cannot write for this. Okay, children, so in this way you have to identify the, see, 1000, how can we write? I'll explain this one also. 5 twos are 5 fours are 5 eights are 2 fours are 2 twos are. This is not a perfect square, 1000. So because 2 fives are there, 2 twos are there, and 5 and 2 are left. Okay, if one more 5, one more 2 will be multiplied like 10. 5 twos are 10, no. So what is required to multiply? 10 is required to multiply to get the perfect square. Okay, anyhow we are discussing about decimal perfect squares. So if it is 2 places, where the answer will be in single digit. If 2 places, answer will be in single digit. If that is in 4 places, then the answer will be in the double digit. Okay, so with this today I am going to stop the class. So in the next video we will continue the remaining problems. Okay, I hope you all understood the problems, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.